welcome back, guys. Happy Tuesday. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the USB charging cable cord for Microsoft Xbox 360 wireless game controller. I got this on eBay only for $2.49 free shipping. I ordered this on May 31st and finally got it today. Today is June 12th, so it took about less than 2 weeks. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Wow, come with a nice shopping bag, or is it a Ziploc bag? And it says Xbox 360 controller charger cable. This is the white color. The working voltage for this is DC 5 volt. Cable length is about 1.46 meter or 4.8 feet. It does not including come with the original box. Wow, there you go, guys. So this is the USB to your Xbox 360 controller, and then there's a LED light. So I plug this one into my USB charging port from my Chromebook, and as you can see, it has a red LED lit up. So I believe either when it's fully charged, this is going to turn green, or it is going to turn off. Okay. So I got my Xbox 360 right here. As you can see, this is the rechargeable battery, or you could put like an alternative AA battery if you have the interchangeable cover. Okay, this is the rechargeable one, so that's why I got this one to plug this one in. Oh, looks like it's gonna fit nicely. And the reason I got this because my son is playing the Fortnite, and we tried to configure this. They say you need like a USB data cable or charging cable in order to hook on it to your PC. Okay. So we're going to test this out. I believe we had to download a driver in order to play this with the Fortnite. So please stay tuned in case you guys need the tutorial on that. All right. Anyway, thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys like this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on that bell for notification. Please share this with your friend, family on social media. If they need to play Fortnite, they need to or any other games on your PC, and you want to use your Xbox controller, you will require to use a cable. All right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. All right. Like always, peace.